भारत में आप कहीं भी चले जाएं, हर जगह पर आपको वहां की यूनिक थाली मिलेगी। इनफैक्ट हर घर की अपनी यूनिक थाली होती है।
आप जहां जाते हैं वहां की थाली में उस जगह के रहने वालों का चेहरा नजर आता है, उनका खाना और तहजीब झलकती है।
पर वो क्या खास बात है जो उस थाली को उस जगह से जोड़ती है? थाली एक अलग और एक अमेजिंग दुनिया है। आइए इस दुनिया को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं ऑन उत्सव थालीज ऑफ इंडिया।
Vanakkam. Today we're in the land of Thalaiva, the great city of Chennai. जिसका नाम सुनते ही जुबान पर इडली, डोसा, वड़ा और फिल्टर कॉफी का स्वाद आ जाता है। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े बीचेस में से एक मरीना बीच, एंशिएंट टेम्पल्स और लुंगी पहने हुए चेन्नईट्स। नो डाउट इट्स कॉल्ड द गेटवे ऑफ साउथ इंडिया। अब चलते हैं माइलापुर, जहां कुणाल टेस्ट करेंगे चेन्नई का नाश्ता। प्रदीप चक्रवर्ती, जो कि एक राइटर हैं और तमिलनाडु में हेरिटेज टूर्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, ये हमें बताएंगे टिपिकल चेन्नई ब्रेकफास्ट के बारे में।
आपका जो आउटलेट है, इट इज नोन फॉर दो स्नैक और द ब्रेकफास्ट आइटम्स लाइक इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर। और ये वो सारी चीजें हैं जो सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में बट इंटरनेशनली एवरीवेयर।
We're world famous now for that, and you can't start at a better place than Mylapore.
Yeah.
And this is one of the best places to have this kind of food, because it's also one of the oldest restaurants that are serving this kind of food. So we should order something for you today.
I'm very interested and keen to try the sambar of Chennai.
So you'd be interested to note, actually we call it sambar, not sambar. Sambar is probably a dish that was created in Tamil Nadu, in Tanjavur, which is further down south from Madras,
Yeah.
by the Maratha kings.
Okay.
The Maratha kings ruled in Tamil Nadu for a very long period of time, of around 250-300 years.
Okay.
And what is beautiful about their food is they bought Marathi food and they mixed it with Telugu food, which is already here,
Yeah.
and with Tamil food as well.
Yeah.
So sambar is one of those inventions
Okay.
where tamarind was added to dal.
Yes.
And we should certainly try sambar. But the sambar is an accompaniment like chutney.
Yeah.
But the big thing is for dosa and idli and vada.
Perfect.
So let's order for that.
Perfect. Let's do that. ये जो इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर है, which is very popular in Tamil Nadu, क्या ये थाली पर भी सर्व होता है?
No, I think that's a good question that you asked, because these that we have on our plate are tiffin dishes. You have them for breakfast or you might have them at dinner, because sometimes people don't eat dinner.
मतलब इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, सांबर ये एक
It's a
स्नैक
snack.
आइटम्स है, ये कभी भी थाली पे सर्व नहीं होते।
Except for vadas. Because out of all the things that we have on the plate today, one of the most ancient is the vada. In the Shraddh ceremony, it is the vada that we give for our ancestors. And that's a vada that's not made with a hole in the middle, it's actually filled up in the middle. So the fact that it's available in the Shraddh ceremony means it's been there for at least 1,500 odd years, a bare minimum. This is something that is served with payasam, which is a sweet kheer,
Yeah.
for any auspicious occasion during lunchtime. Well, you know, one of the things about idli and dosa is we are a rice eating community.
Yes.
And when we have extra rice, if you keep it just as it is, it gets spoiled.
Yeah.
But the way to do it is to turn it into batter and then eat it.
Yeah.
So you'd rather save the food and eat it in a slightly different way,
Absolutely.
rather than throw the food out.
फिल्टर कापी।
So this is called a tumbler.
Yeah.
This is called a dabara.
So मतलब इससे पीना है, इससे पीना है?
No, in this. But there are two ways to do this.
Yeah.
Is this called a dabara or dabara or a dahara?
Okay.
Okay, that's like a boardroom level discussion.
Okay.
But what is important is you can't have filter coffee if you don't have this like this.
Why is that?
Okay? Because just the done thing is just the tradition to do it this way.
I love it.
In fact, here it's made out of stainless steel, but the traditional ones were made out of brass. The longer you take it, the more of an expert you are. Well done. That cools the coffee.
I can do this all day.
You do that, you can do this all day.
I got it right. This was hot.
Traditionalists will typically say, don't add chicory to this.
There is no chicory added to this.
Doesn't look like it. And the decoction will be really strong. The milk will be very little.
This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Chakrabarti. I think जितना fresh और interesting खाना था, उतनी interesting आपकी बातें, and the coffee just stole my heart away.
तमिलनाडु की सबसे प्रॉस्पेरस कम्युनिटीज में से एक है चेटियार्स, जो एक सदियों पुरानी स्पाइस मर्चेंट्स की कम्युनिटी है, जिनका मेजर ट्रेड साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज के साथ था। जहां जहां ये कम्युनिटी पहुंची, वहीं के स्वाद इन्होंने अपने क्विजीन में भी अपना लिए, और ये सभी स्वाद हमें टेस्ट करने को मिलेंगे मैंगो ट्री में, which is a restaurant run by Chitra Ramu, जहां she serves her mother's true blue Chettinad recipes.
So today I'm going to be serving you the Chettinad Thali, and in that we have the Chettinad pepper chicken, which is called the Koli Milagu Masala.
Koli is for chicken, Melaga is pepper, and masala
Yes,
is masala.
yes.
And this pepper fry preparation, whether it's done in chicken or mutton, is it a Chettiar dish or is it a non-Chettiar dish?
No, it is, the pepper is the Chettiar dish, and it used to be the country chicken.
So it used to be more tougher
Tougher,
to cook, more meaty, more gamey.
And also the flavors. See now,
Very different. So let's begin. So is there a particular variety of pepper that goes inside this dish?
it is from Kerala, and but now it is more from Karnataka.
Okay.
So all Chettiars do have estates and things like that, and so we get our peppers from the estates.
Beautiful.
Start this thing. I'm going to add some few teaspoons of oil. We are going to add shallots, garlic, ginger. You can put all the chilies.
मतलब ये spicy होने वाला है.
Yes.
इसके अंदर जो heat आ रही है वो pepper powder से भी आएगी.
Yeah, there'll be
और
pepper,
green chili भी.
green chili, and the red chili.
इतनी chili?
The pepper will be 2 teaspoons. So I'm adding a teaspoon of soap. Then we have the poppy seeds. See, fennel is a main ingredient in a Chettinad cuisine. If you see, when you have a non-veg, there will be fennel in it.
सौंफ होगी ही होगी.
Yeah. Smell.
Light sauce.
Yeah. All this will be ground into a paste. I have the paste here for you. So now I need some onions. Can you chop them up for me?
Oh,
Just
you want
one
me to
onion.
chop them?
Yeah, fine. So I'm adding some oil.
Okay.
Say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I can't cut like you.
I can't cook like you.
Ah,
We're all good. We're all equal. So onions.
onions
they will
goes
go
in
first.
first. Yes.
जो Chettinad cuisine है, I think वो काफी influence है Southeast Asia से भी.
Correct. Yes.
So are there any typical Southeast Asian flavors that become part of Chettinad cuisine?
They brought in certain things like the dried meat, dried vegetables. We use a lot of dried vegetables in the season because
Okay.
Chettinad is a dry area. Now we can add the tomatoes,
Some salt.
little bit of turmeric. So we have the masala. So this will be marinated, but we have to marinate it overnight.
Okay.
So for the flavors to seep into the
Seep in.
chicken.
Okay.
So now I have a marinated thing. So now the tomatoes are cooked.
Yeah.
So now we will add this chicken.
और इस चिकन के अंदर वो सारे flavors हैं, spices हैं.
Yes, yes. Chettinad cuisine uses the shallots more than the big onion, because the small onion it is not sweet as the thing. So it will not sweeten your dish as much as the big onion.
Big one.
Okay, I'm adding some curry leaves.
Yeah.
Soon as I added, you could smell the curry leaf.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So now this will take another 15 minutes to cook. So let's cover it. In the meantime, we'll get the thali ready.
Perfect.
ब्रेक के बाद टेस्ट करेंगे क्लासिक चेटिनाड थाली और जानेंगे चेटियर कम्युनिटी की ईटिंग हैबिट्स के बारे में, और फिर इंडिया की ओल्डेस्ट थालीज में से एक, द तमिलियन ब्राह्मण थाली।
So ये है एक typical Chettinad थाली.
Yes.
I must say you've been over generous. ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसके अंदर, but distinctively I can see a lot of meat. At the same time, a lot of vegetables also.
Yes. See, actually, there's a misconception that when you say Chettinad, it is only non-vegetarian. But if you see, the Chettiars were vegetarians, and because of their travel to the southeastern countries, like say Burma, Malaysia, and all that, so they must have like had this type of food there. So that's how the non-vegetarian food has come into the cuisine. Today there's going to be, already we have 2 desserts, but I thought we'll be a little more indulgent and then have this black sticky rice.
Very jammy,
Yes,
and the outer shell of rice,
yes.
that is very fibrous.
When it comes from Malaysia, the stickiness is more than when what is locally grown.
I must say, जो regular rice होता है उससे बहुत हटके flavor है इसका.
Yeah, it is.
This is
It
very
is.
nice. I have a rasam here,
Yes, it is the koli rasam, non-veg rasam.
kalpasi flavor.
Yes.
उसे हम पत्थर के फूल
Yes,
भी बोलते हैं.
yes. So most of the soups, whether it's a vegetarian soup or a non-veg soup, we use the kalpasi.
I must say it's a mouthful
yes,
feel that you get with this rasam. Rasam अक्सर पतली होती है, थोड़ी thick है,
yes,
and lot of spices.
lots of spices. Now that what you're having now is the uppu curry,
Uppu curry, which is
mutton uppu curry.
mutton. Wow. I must say बिल्कुल dry है. उसमें coconut नहीं है.
No, no coconut. The number of spices that go into it is very less. It is mainly, it is the red chili, the dried red chili that
Yeah.
gives it the spiciness.
चाहे वो उप्पू कारी हो या ये मटन चेटिनाड हो या फिर ये चिकन कारी हो, तीनों के अंदर जो मीट का फ्लेवर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा
Strong,
स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
yes.
स्पाइसेस सेकंड लेवल पर है.
And it's very balanced actually. If you see, we have a kuttu, we have a poriyal. The poriyal is normally any of the vegetables. It can be anything. It can be a cauliflower, carrot, beans, depending on what is available in the season.
That's a coot.
Kuttu
What
curry.
vegetable is this?
This is, today we have made the podlanga, which is
Podlanga?
the snake goat.
I like the play of flavors where the snake goat and lentil is very mellow.
Yes.
I think सिर्फ जीरे का फ्लेवर बहुत
Yes,
प्रोनाउंस आ रहा
yes,
है.
yes,
वहीं पे फिश जो है बड़े कॉम्प्लेक्स फ्लेवर्स है.
yes. So normally how you have a thali is, you have one of the gravies and then you pair it with the vegetable. So this is spicier, that is toned down.
Creates
So
a
it's like an accompaniment.
Correct. And what about this bhindi?
Ah, that is one of the specialities of Chettinad.
What is it called?
It is called mandi. Special about this is how we prepare it. Okay, lady's finger, and then we have a bean. We call it mocha. It's a dried bean. It is soaked overnight and it is cooked. So you have the tanginess, the spiciness.
Oh, almost like val, this particular bean is.
Yeah,
And it's a little mushy because of the bhindi.
bindi. Yes,
What about this? This is something very unique. I've never eaten this before.
it's the bella paniyaram.
What is vela paniyaram?
It's a batter. It's ground.
Okay.
It's not fermented.
So it is a batter made up with raw rice.
Raw rice and little bit of urad dal.
Is it like made on a tawa?
No, it is deep fried.
But I don't see a golden
much.
brown color. Usually fried
No.
things are brown.
This thing we don't cook it for long.
I like the texture. It's just like a small little pancake.
Pancake.
जैसे हम लोग ना मालपुआ बनाते हैं. बिल्कुल वैसा ही है उसकी जो फील या लचक जो जिसे हम
Yes,
कहते हैं.
yes.
बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. This is not lassi.
No, that is also another traditional Chettinad dish.
So I see these small little dumplings floating in sweetened milk. Now, is this coconut milk or regular milk?
No, it is coconut milk and little bit of condensed milk. And there's a traditional way of making it. So you clean up the coconut shell well, and then it has, you call it the eye of the coconut.
Yeah.
Okay, so you make a hole,
हाँ.
and through that the batter goes. So we drop that into the oil.
Press it down.
And
lumps की तरह गिरेगा.
yes,
Ah.
yes, and then our pepper chicken that we made today.
Of course.
So you have this like a starter. Today we have it dry, which is more like a starter. So otherwise you can either, if you want to have it, otherwise you have it like a gravy, which you can have it with your steamed rice.
Just in case मैं खाता खाता आपको थैंक करना भूल रहा हूँ, let me thank you so much क्योंकि आज मैंने एक चेट्टिनाड थाली दोबारा से खाई है, लेकिन एक नए नजरिए से.
स्पाइसेस से भरपूर चेटियर्स का culinary ट्रेडिशन रिफ्लेक्शन है इस कम्युनिटी की इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्ट्री का. After a drooling experience of Chettinad Thali, let's meet Fauzia Kutti of the famous Fauzia's Cooking, जहां मिलते हैं yummy organic pickles and chutneys.
Yes,
Hi, is that Fauzia's Cooking?
yes, it is.
I've heard that you do some amazing spreads, jams, pickles, chutneys,
Yes.
and they're all natural.
Yes, all natural, 100% preservative free.
I'm ready to feast.
convince you to try out the lime and date pickle. That's our speciality.
Bring it on. Khata meetha.
We like to call it a chutney as well because some people use it even on a bread.
इसके अंदर ना जो लेमन का जो कड़वाहट है, that is retained. That is something that I enjoy eating.
This is a classic banana spread, Karupuravalli. Then there is a banana called manjal, which is a small, short yellow banana. And we also have what is called yelaka.
Elaichi.
Elaichi banana,
yes.
Here we call it yelaka.
I think it's yummy. I think it's fun because जब हम थाली खाने बैठते हैं तो ये चटनी और अचार ना बहुत छोटी छोटी मात्रा में होते हैं, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं वो अनसंग हीरोज कहलाते हैं फॉर सम गुड रीजन. मेरे लिए दे आर द हीरोज. कैन आई पिक अप सम?
Yes, sure.
आपकी बनाई चटनी और अचार आई थिंक अब बहुत मशहूर होने वाली है.
Thank you so much.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
ब्रेक के बाद चखेंगे तमिलियन ब्राह्मण्स की थाली और जानेंगे उनके कल्चर को. नवरात्रों के समय चेन्नई सजा हुआ होता है भगवानों की छोटी छोटी खूबसूरत मूर्तियों से. राकेश रघुनाथन एक साउथ इंडियन फूड स्पेशलिस्ट, फूड रिसर्चर और टीवी शो होस्ट हैं और ये हमें बताएंगे इन डॉल्स की हिस्ट्री के बारे में.
हाय कुणाल. हाय. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी ओवर. और ये आपके लिए मैं लेकर आया हूँ.
ओह वाओ.
ये है आम का अचार स्पेशल जो मैंने डाला है
यम.
आपके लिए. आई वुड लव टू नो कि इतनी सारी भगवान की मूर्तियां आपने एक साथ क्यों इकट्ठी करी?
This is the time of Navratri. I mean, you've chosen the perfect time to be here. You see the doll right in the center. That is Mahishasura Mardini, as they call it.
डॉल. मूर्ति को डॉल बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग.
So these are made with clay or paper mache. The significance is such that,
The Devi slays Mahishasura and restores the balance of the world.
and that is why entire 9-day celebration goes on. What's interesting is there are lots of pulses like your lobia, moong, channa dal. Every day you have to make navadanyam, a sundal, like a tempering, let's say, is made every day for 9 days.
आपका एक उत्सव इतना कलरफुल है, तो वो उत्सव जो एक थाल में लगता है वो कितना कलरफुल होगा. सो जो तमिलियन ब्राह्मण थाली है उसके अंदर आपका कोई एक पर्सनल फेवरेट डिश है?
The Arachivitta Kalyana Sambar, as they call it.
सांबर.
Sambarla, sambar.
सांबार. I would love to learn that as well.
Sure, I will teach you that.
Let's go.
Let's go.
चलिए.
पहला ये अरचिविट्टा सांबार के लिए मसाला बनाए.
मसाला बनाना.
Oil first.
जिंजली ऑयल.
Gingerly oil. A little bit of hing. So this is the actual hing before, which is processed and made into a powder. This is a gum. It's a resin. ये है ना, इसका origins अफगानिस्तान में है. What amazes me particularly about Indian food is there are so many items that have come into our staple food, but that's not indigenous. It's not even local here.
Yeah, yeah.
So a small ball of this, you add a little bit of chana dal. Chana dal, as it is getting brown, you add some dhania. To this, you add red chilies.
What's next?
So to this, you add some coconut. So this has to be made to a paste. I'm going to switch this off and send it in for grinding.
Okay.
And in the meantime, we will make the sambar ke liye, all the vegetables, it has to cook in the imli water.
Got it.
So I'm going to add some imli water to this, some salt, thoda sa haldi,
Okay.
thoda sa lal mirch, a little bit of curry pata, because I always like at this stage, if you add the curry leaves, it adds to the flavor.
Now sabzi.
Now you add the sabzi.
To a lot of people, sambar is just tur ki dal, उसमें एक South Indian तड़का and done.
And what I've noticed is during my travel to research South Indian food, every 50 to 100 kilometers, the sambar keeps changing its avatar.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have to add the tur dal. So dal dalne ke baad,
We boil it.
nicely boiling right now. So can you get now the flavor of the imli is gone?
Yeah.
Kacha flavor is gone. Now you add the paste. So when you grind it, it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be
Paste,
too
fine.
fine. It should be coarsely.
Grainy.
The vegetables are nicely done now.
Yes. So this is done.
This is done. All you need to do is give it a tadka now.
Oh, tadka is
and the
in it.
tadka is in ghee.
Mustard seeds.
Mustards, थोड़ा सा hing, करी पत्ता, सूखी लाल मिर्च. Ah, nice. Now, what you also need to do, take a bit of this. That's what gives it that extra kick
Yes.
on the side. So, அரைச்சு விட்ட கல்யாண சாம்பார் is ready. அரைச்சு விடுறது, like I said, is grinding. Kalyanam is wedding in sambar.
And I know only feasting.
Absolutely, that's where we are heading to, right?
Let's go.
Awesome.
ये जो टिपिकल तमिलियन ब्राह्मण थाली है या फिर खाना है, उसके अंदर आपने बताया ना प्याज का, ना लहसुन का, ना ही अदरक का इस्तेमाल होता है.
Ginger is fine.
अदरक ठीक है,
अदरक तो ठीक है,
लेकिन लहसुन और
प्याज they will not use.
जो तमिलियन ब्राह्मण कल्चर है, it's culturally very old and very rich.
Right.
When I say very rich, it's because of the literature. और जो संगम literature है,
Yes.
which is basically it's the historic literature of Tamil Nadu, जिसके अंदर collection of poems है.
Yes.
More than 2000 poems.
Absolutely.
और उस poems के अंदर one can figure out उस टाइप का lifestyle, the folklore,
Yes.
the food that we had.
In fact, than Sangam literature, the Rig Veda talks about the banana leaf.
So is there a sequence that I follow?
You
मीठा
can
खाया
first,
मैंने.
yes, go ahead, have the akara disi.
अब एक बार मीठा खा लिया, I can begin from anywhere.
Anywhere, whatever fancies you.
और ये कोशिम्बीर.
So this is very, very unique. People don't really do it nowadays. It is our ancestors' way of putting a salad together. You know, it's pretty much that. So one is a sweet version, the other one with carrots is a savory version. If you notice, there's a lot of coconut that has gone into in the form of grated coconut and things like that.
Yeah.
So what wedding caterers do is there's a lot of tender coconut water that you get while shaving the coconut.
Yeah.
So they soak the moong dal in that tender coconut water. This one.
Awesome.
So this is not boiled, this is not steamed,
Raw.
nothing.
The sambar is amazing. वो जो हींग का flavor आ रहा है.
And this sambar rice, when you have it, sambar sadam, you have it with the aloo.
शायद ये कहना ठीक होगा कि ये possibly हिंदुस्तान की one of the oldest थाली है.
Absolutely.
And the oldest tradition of sitting down
Yes.
and eating together.
True, true. That is rasam
Rasam always on rice.
on the rice.
No wonder जो रसम होती है बहुत ज़्यादा तीखी या strong, बहुत ज़्यादा intense flavor की होती है. Simply because उसको rice के साथ जाना होता है.
Absolutely. So before we end the meal, this is a very customary pan, but not like a meetha pan or anything. It is just plain areca nut which has been spiced a little. This also has a reference to Sangam literature where Kannagi gives Kovalan a pan before he leaves to retrieve or for the anklet story, which is very, very famous.
Thank you so much for all the wealth of information जो आज आपने मुझे दी.
I'm so glad I was part of this.
Thank you.
Think of a meal in the southern part of the country, and you cannot imagine one without a banana leaf. There are shops that sell only these all year round. If you want to experience an authentic meal here, you must have it on a banana leaf.
कितने banana leaves आप बेच लेते हैं एक दिन में?
Here almost they will sell up to 10,000 to 20,000 leaves per day, sir.
मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ कि जो banana leaf है अलग-अलग shapes में काट रहे हैं.
For commercial purpose like hotels, the plates will be in different shapes. To avoid wastages, putting off instead of one sheet, you can cut it as per the design of the plates. It can be cut.
Oh,
so to avoid wastage, we are doing like that. In Tamil Nadu, it's our tradition. Eating in banana leaf, it's our tradition.
Beautiful. All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Right, sir.
मैंने पूरी दुनिया में इडली डोसा खाया है, पर अगर आपको ऑथेंटिक एंड ओरिजिनल खाना है तो बॉस चेन्नई तो आना पड़ेगा, स्पेशली फॉर द माइंड ब्लोइंग फिल्टर कॉफी. चेट्टीनाड थाली से मैंने जाना कि कैसे एक कम्युनिटी दूसरे कम्युनिटी से बोरो कर अपने फूड को और भी स्पेशल बना देती है. द थाली वाज स्पाइसी बट यम. और इंडिया की सबसे पुरानी थालियों में से एक तमिल ब्राह्मण थाली. इट फील्स सो स्पेशल टू हैव ईटन अ मील that has references in the Vedas. You feel like you're experiencing history in a sense. इतना सब कुछ experience करना, चेट्टीनाड पेपर चिकन और अराचावेता कल्याणा सांबर की रेसिपी सीखना, इन सब ने मेरे चेन्नई के सफर को एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरेबल बना दिया है.